Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi Trend Spares OR Repairs. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 152,969. MOT, 2 December 2023. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCi-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have worn. Turbo will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,725. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.